Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In this episode 34, we will learn how to perform the Kruskal Wallis test in MedCalc software, which is the non-parametric alternative to the One-Way ANOVA. So the concept explanation of the Kruskal Wallis test compares the median rank of 3 or more independent groups. Unlike the ANOVA, it does not assume the normal distributions. So the step by steps explain for the data enter in the MedCalc software workplace. So the first one for the ID, the different the patients for the 15 patient, and the independent groups for the three different groups A, B and C. So the different drug dose, and the dependent group for the numerical column, the cholesterol level milligram for the deciliters. So the Kruskal's Wallis test analyze in the MedCalc software. Go to the top menu, selected for the statistics and selected for the ANOVA and selected for the Kruskal Wallis test. So the open the new tab for the Kruskal Wallis. So the first one for the data variables. So and the factor codes. So the data column added for the cholesterol. So they choose the options selected for the cholesterol milligram for the deciliter, and the factor code added for the grouping for the independent variables. And another one for the filter, leave the empty unless for the subgroup analysis is needed. And the right side options for the post-hoc test. So the post-hoc test for the more the powerful statistics for the less conservations, the good for the research comparisons. So the two options for the conveyor for the Duncan first so selected for the Duncan's offense, and the significant level the choose for the 0.05 percent for the significance levels. And the next one for the Jonckheere Terpstra trend test. So this is for the group have the normal order, the low, medium and the high dosage of drug added. So that only for selected, but we not for the different level of the drug dose and the low, medium, high. So we normally add for the three different drugs only. So unselected for the Jonckheere Terpstra trend test. So then click to the OK button. Now the analyze for the Kruskal Wallis test. So the data selected for the cholesterol milligram for the deciliter and the factor code for the group. So the sample size for the 15 and the descriptive statistics of the Kruskal Wallis test. So the factor A, B, C and the number of the samples for the 5 and the minimum value for the cholesterol level 176 for the factor A and 165 for the factor B and 150 for the factor C. And the 25% of the factors A and B, the 175.5 and 167.25 and 151.50, and the median value present in the factor 3 are the 75% of the value present in the factor. Then last one for the maximum value for the 190 for the factor A, 172 point factor B and the factor C for the 160. So the Kruskal Wallis test, the test statistics for the 12.50 and correlated for this test 12.50 for the same for the test statistics. So the degrees of freedom, the 2 are the significant level P is equal to 0.001, and the post-hoc analysis terms the test for the factor A, B, C, number of the sample 5, the average rank for the sample A for the factor A 13 and the factor B for 8 and factor C for 3 are the different for the P less than 0.05 from the factor near. So the 3 for the factor A and the 1 for the factor C, and additional options for the provide the multiple comparison graph in the Kruskal Wallis test. So the selected options I selected for the box and whisker plot for the Kruskal Wallis test. So the data already selected for the data column for the cholesterol and the factor code for the group. then click to the OK button. Now the created for the multiple comparison graph for the Kruskal Wallis test. So simple the customize options. So the select for the box plot and right click for the format box plot. Then the fill the color selected and the border color selected. Then click to the OK. So the X is present for the independent variable for the group A and B, and the Y-X is present for the cholesterol level milligram for the deciliter, and the highest value present in the cholesterol level the factor A and the factor B, and lowest present for the factor C. So this is for the analyzing method in the Kruskal Wallis test in the MedCalc software. Any doubt on this lessons, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button. And the interpretation of the Kruskal Wallis test I will upload for the black article in our website. That website link mentioned to the this video description box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.